Hi guys, Justin from One Stop Board Shop, and we're going to be installing GT WTF Rail Armor. So what you're going to need is the provided alcohol pad. We're going to be using some rubbing alcohol and something to roll them on. So right now I'm just cleaning the area where we're going to install the rail armor. So we're going to remove the adhesive backing, then line it up and temporarily stick it on before rolling it on. Hey guys, thanks for joining us in this GT WTF Rail Armor install. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and stay riding.